Good morning guys, in front of me is Oppo Find X2 Lite and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. But first open the settings, then find and select personalizations and go to wallpapers. Now you can select the source from which you want to pick your wallpaper. It can be one from your own album, one from inventive wallpapers, static wallpapers, live wallpapers, or something from online wallpapers. Just pick whichever you prefer. Here you can tap on particular option and decide if it's the one that you want to cover your screen with, and if it is, just tap on apply. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both of them. And that's it. As you can see, it has been done. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.